Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing how to view recently watched videos on YouTube. Firstly, you need to open your YouTube application. At the top right corner, tap on profile icon. On the middle of the screen, you will see your data in YouTube, and it will show us a bunch of data that is associated with our YouTube account. Scroll down and you will see YouTube watch history and YouTube search history. Let's click on manage your YouTube watch history. Here you can see your YouTube watch history. You can also delete your history, delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. You can also auto delete your history. And this is how we reset our auto delete period. You can also delete it individually. And this is how you view recently watched videos on YouTube. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.